Looking for palaces, lakes, and sunsets? This Indian city will steal your hearts. Voya.com presents Under 5-minute holiday guide of Udaipur. Known for with a splash of royal flamboyance, floating palaces, serene lakes, and quaint rooftop cafes. Udaipur is no less than a paradise straight out of a storybook. Best time to visit. October to March offer the best weather conditions to visit Udaipur. Fun trivia. Udaipur is no ordinary tourist place. In 2023, it made it to the Forbes list of 50 most spectacular destinations in the world for a once-in-a-lifetime travel experience. Must-try marvels. Whether you're catching the sunrise or watching city lights by sunset, Lake Pichola is known to turn every setting into a scene from a romantic movie. Voya.com Pro Tip. Hire a private boat to explore the lake at your own pace. Next up, if you wish to recreate your own Ye Jawani Hai Diwani moment, we'd suggest visiting Bagore Ki Haveli, a mansion-turned museum. This place exudes an old-world charm like no other. Step out for a royal rewind and explore the Heritage Trio. Ranakpur stuns with 1,444 carved marble pillars. Chittorgarh, where Rani Padmini's courage echoes through palaces and battle-scarred walls. And Kumbhalgarh, the fort no one ever conquered. Its heritage, heroism, and a whole lot of goosebumps. And your Udaipur stay would remain incomplete without an evening meal at the Oasis rooftop restaurant. While the food is delicious, it's the sunset that will sweep you off your feet. Must-try culinary delights. Sagam Restaurant, Old City Rooftop, with a breathtaking view of Lake Pichola. Sagam serves Rajasthani and continental delights. Must try their Dal Bati Churma. Millets of Mewar focuses on millet-based dishes and organic ingredients, perfect for a light and guilt-free meal. La Marina Bistro, an ideal lakeside dining spot, La Marina offers Italian and Indian cuisine with the gentle hum of live music. Picture-worthy places. Buddy Lake Jian Sagar. Stand by its calm waters as the Aravali mirror themselves. This offbeat gem will make you pinch yourself. Bahubali Hills. Climb up for panoramic views that will take your breath away. Think cinematic landscapes that scream highlight reel. Neemach Mata Temple Ropeway. Glide above the serene landscapes of Udaipur as the ropeway takes you to Neemach Mata Temple. It's not just a ride, it's an experience. Mid-air, you'll be treated to sweeping views of Fateh Sagar Lake, the Aravali Hills, and the cityscape, all bathed in golden hues during sunset. Here's a tip. Keep your camera ready for that perfect floating above paradise shot. Whom is it for? Udaipur. It's for couples dreaming of fairy tale moments by serene lakes, art lovers drawn to intricate architecture, and anyone enchanted by regal vibes and timeless beauty. What should you definitely not do? And while you're here, do not forget to tick Aravali rooftop restaurant off your list. It offers more than just a meal with a view. It's literally like embarking on a culinary adventure in the clouds. If you found our content informative, do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned.